What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It is your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey, just wanted to shoot a quick video, guys, because I was thinking about, I was watching some stuff and it was talking about artificial intelligence, AI, 5G, and about how a lot of jobs are going to want to put their businesses on automation, which is going to be good for the companies, but it's also going to be bad for the person. When I say bad for the person is because production level can go higher and humans are not needed. So guess what? Insurance and all kind of money that they normally would pay out on insurance and income, they don't have to pay that out anymore because they just need to make sure that their technology is caught up and that all that is working, because then everything else is continue to be running on automation. So what I wanted to talk about is that, are you ready for a robot to come into that, to come and just take your job like that? Because they're coming. They're literally coming. So, and it's going to be like a Thanos snap, like, and it's over. Thanos snap, just like that. And guys, what I wanted to introduce you to is a marketing system. So for everyone that's new to this page, you don't know what I'm into online marketing. I like to show people exactly how to make money online. I introduce them to different programs that are reputable programs that actually show you how you can make a monthly, weekly, residual income, instant commissions. I literally set you up with any and everything when it comes to just making money. Not any and everything, but you know, the good stuff. And it's stuff that helps you as far as education, financial literacy, things that are going to put you in a situation when it comes to credit and things like that. So those are the type of programs that I'm in. And I like to talk and I like to shoot videos. So if you don't like to shoot videos, you know, I'm going to tell you that's the number one thing that I like to do is shoot videos, because it builds a relationship with a lot of people. And people can see exactly who they want to join. They can see exactly who I am as a person. So I'd rather shoot videos and show you who I am, and then, you know, do my ads. So yes, I still do, you know, my normal Facebook ads and my YouTube stuff like that. But here's the thing. Once I do those ads, I start sending them videos literally of me. So I'm building a relationship right away. And if you guys are not paying attention, I'm giving you some game and some training right now as well, because that's what people want to see. People want to know who they're joining. If the company was that good, everybody be joining the company. So sometimes the company is not that good. Sometimes they have to find some unique person like you to explain it to them and tell them, oh, okay, so this is what I've been missing the whole time. And that's just how it is, okay? But guys, I wanted to talk about a marketing system that's literally going to help you here, because what's going to happen, and if you do your research here, by 2020, a lot of companies want to be fully deployed with 5G. And I just want to make sure that you guys have started a process. So think about the 50-year-old truck driver, and once that truck driver, you know, loses his job to some truck that drives itself, you think he can go out and be a programmer if he hasn't started learning that skill yet? No, he can't. Or with him, I'm not even saying he can't. He may possibly can, but it may take him a while. It may take him some time. So what I wanted to do was introduce you guys to a way that you can do this on your side. Oh, it looks like somebody's car stalled. But I wanted to introduce you to a way that you can definitely do it on your side here, where you can start making money on your end at your own time and at your own pace without leaving your family. I know people want to do Uber Eats and DoorDash and Postmates and stuff like that, but you're spending time away from your family, and who wants to keep doing that? I'm not going to recommend that you take time away from your family. I'm recommending that you do spend more time with your family. Guys, I was out with my family the other day, and I shot a video showing me making money. You know, out buying Easter clothes, and we're making money. Now, how cool is that? Now, here's the thing. I wanted to be able to set you up in a position where you can make the same type of income and commission checks that I'm making as well. And I'm actually making instant commissions. So when I mean instant commissions, those instant commissions come directly into my Square account, and I'm able to transfer directly into my bank accounts. And I want to be able to set you up with that, with instant commissions, guys. So with this marketing system, you're going to learn education as far as marketing education and financial literacy, as far as how to repair your credit, you know, how to, you know, if you do work a 9 to 5, how to put money back in your, get money back from your job and put it back in your paycheck so you can make that money, you know, and invest that money. We're going to literally show you how to do this. So it's all financial education and, you know, marketing and education to get you to the next level. So I'm going to leave a link at the bottom, guys, because, you know, and do your research. Check out this stuff. You know, look up artificial intelligence and, you know, 5G and algorithms. And guys, see how this stuff is really taking over. It's the job apocalypse, and people are gonna lose out. People are gonna lose, and you don't want to get caught up in the snap. All right. We don't want the snap happening to you. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up, guys. This your boy Jay. Click that link at the bottom, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and that way we can definitely be a part of that gang, and we rocking. All right, I'm out.